What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Telegram and Discord down below. It's linked down and you can ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So check that down, and also watch out, there's some scammers and people impersonating me down in the comments. You'll know if it's me if I have that gray badge behind my name. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lower gas fees for all transactions, every different transaction, but also I'm going to show you how it applies to Binamon transactions and gas fees here, because Binamon gas fees are incredibly high for some reason, and I'm pretty sure they're working on that right now. But for now, you're going to have to follow the steps I do in this video to reduce your gas fees here and there, and yeah. So I want to show you exactly how much they charge right now. If I wanted to buy an NFT, it would be the same. If I want to sell an NFT, it would be the same price by stock. So by standard, they would give you a price of 0.005 BNB. And if you know the BNB price, you know that's a bit money for Binance Smart Chain gas fees. So here you can see that's about $252, which is really high for Binance Smart Chain expectations. Normally they'd be around let's say 0.8 cents, and you can see that there's already a big difference in the numbers here, and exactly why. Now you won't really get to those numbers here. You actually won't get low as those numbers, unfortunately, because Binamon doesn't work with those numbers for some reason. So we're gonna have to work with $1 ratings and stuff like that, which you can just see here, which is about that much. Or I can go a little lower, under $1, and go like that much right here, 75 cents. So here, if I'd show you right now, it'll be a good 0.005 BNB, which is really bad, and nobody likes that kind of gas fees here. So normally it would be set to the gas limit of about 1 million and a gas price of 5 GWEI, or GWEI. Now GWEI is like how fast the transaction goes through, and normally if I'm selling, I would normally do this, and I would go with a gas price of 7 on GWEI, and that would normally go through almost every single time. But there's some cases where that doesn't actually go through, and I'd have to go with a 0.5 or a 5 gas price, and then a gas limit of, and I'd have to go with a gas price of around 200,000, unfortunately, which is about 0.001 BNB, and you'd know that it's about 50 cents, which is still good though. It's still good, and honestly, it could get worse, and this is what you'd normally do. If you want to go lower, you can go back to 100,000 here, and then do a gas price of 0.7 gas price on GWEI, and then you click save and you click confirm. Now I'm not gonna do that right now because I haven't changed the price and it's still on 80, and I was thinking, you know what, let me lower the price of this NFT since it's not really selling right now, and I'm gonna do something stupid here, and I'm gonna make it about 75 BMON, which is almost no difference in price. And then what you do is you click update, or if you're buying something, you click buy. If you're selling something, player to player sell, you click sell, and it would give you this price at standard. You click edit suggested gas fee. You can test how low it can go, but from my personal lowest score, you could say, is about this right here. Now this rarely works for me, I don't know why, but I could really test it here, and it probably would work. But if you're buying like an NFT, it's definitely not gonna work. I've tried so many times, it never worked. And as you can see here, confirmed transaction, at this point it did work, and it's went down to 75. And really, that's how all you have to do to lower the gas price. Now if the gas price is around like $20, then that's not normal, you know, and there's a reason to this. If you put 75 point blah blah blah, just all these numbers, right, you know, it would increase the gas price normally, but here it wouldn't. But if you're doing like a staking place, like in the pools of rewards, or you're on Zoo, it's gonna ask for like a $200 gas price at most. Like I've seen $200 gas prices because of this on MOBOX, on Zoo, on BMON, and that's really a big problem with Binance Smart Chain, where it's not even the platform that's using Binance Smart Chain's problem. It's actually Binance Smart Chain's problem. It's themselves, and so that's one really bad downside. But that's all you really have to do to lower the gas prices for Binance Smart Chain. Now, I might cover Ethereum gas prices in the future, but for now, this is gas prices on Binance Smart Chain. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. Check my Discord and Telegram down below if you want support, or you want to give questions, or you want to give suggestions and communicate with others. Just join the Discord and join the Telegram, and I'll see you guys later.